Welcome back to the garden. Yep, we're putting in some more mulch. It's been a very busy weekend. Yeah, this is a little deeper than 4 inches. So how much mulch did you put down? Remember when we started this garden expansion, we talked about just making piles? I started off making a bunch of piles of wood chips. That way we can spread them out as we get the leaves and the hay in here. My pile of hay is a little more than 4 inches thick. That way I can go ahead and spread it out as we get the leaves and the wood chips brought in. That pile of leaves is definitely deeper than 4 inches thick. Well, that's because when we bring in the next load of wood chips and the next load of hay, did you notice a pattern forming? Laying in your mulch, there is no order. Now at this point, I'm being very strategic. I've gone all the way up around the edge, all the way to the very back of the garden. This does look really thick, but it will break down very quickly. And having it loose like this is going to keep the ground insulated. There's air in here, and as the life in the soil, they use this, we're going to be ready for spring. What I've found over the last several years, the deeper you put it down now, the better off you're going to be in the summer. This is all going to be broken down to this, which is right down this soil. The last thing that we're going to mulch is this walkway, and we'll mulch that heavy. But for right now, I need to have a clear path so I can get all around the garden. One of the biggest mistakes I made that first year is I started in the middle, and then I couldn't get to the back. Well, you live and learn. I've got a walkway around this direction to get that back corner. I've got this clear area, make it up against back there. We got another bale of hay on the other side to come up over the fence. We have one more walk-through right here that I can take leaves and wood chips, and then the big pile of hay, we'll just mix that together as we go. That's our strategy anyhow. And you can see all the leaves I still have back there that I can bring in here. And we got a few other spots that I got some leaves hidden. So I think we got enough to cover the whole thing. Yesterday I had a lot of steam, so I moved wood chips. They're the heaviest. I didn't uncover anything today. It just barely got above 40. I will have to uncover stuff tomorrow. It's supposed to warm up a little bit better. Today, not so much steam, so I've been moving leaves. But I moved probably 30 loads. I got that back corner pretty much buttoned up. And for me, it's definitely worth it. I don't have to weed in the summer. You've seen the results that I've been getting over the last few years. The food tastes amazing. And I still say the hardest work you're ever going to do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. You can do this too. All you got to do is work at it a little bit each day. And pretty quick, the entire garden's going to be covered. 21st of December is on its way. That's the first day of winter. We're going to start our winter planting on the 21st. I hope you join me for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.